This is the way I knit stranded knitting with both strands of yarn in my left hand held Continental style. I first take my dominant yarn and run it through my fingers in and out. You can see on the wrong side, this is what it looks like. Next, I pick up my second strand and I loop it over my first two fingers and then under my third finger and over my pinky. This way it differentiates these two strands and it's easy for me to pick up. I tension them against my needle as I'm holding it. And as I go along, I'm going to choose my dominant yarn here. And then I like to keep my stitches nice and spread out so that it doesn't bunch up. Here is a stitch of the darker yarn, which is held dominant. And now a stitch of my lighter yarn. So my needle goes over the top of that first yarn. And you can see as I'm going along, I'm holding these so that they're stretched out and I'm not going to get any bunching up of my stitches. So this is what it looks like on the right side. And then here it is on the wrong side. So you want some stretch here, but you don't want it to be too loose and sloppy.